actually come back. What's the idea of learning? A lot of people don't understand. When you make money, you're not learning. Okay, when you see how you make money and you can practice it and do it, that is when you process process of learning comes in. There's a stage of information. All right, there's a stage where you actually practice information. That is where learning actually occurs. All right, learning does not occur when you sit here. You hear from me, right? You're not learning. It is your ability to process the information and act upon it, and it gives you result. That is when you learn. It may be positive, it may be a learning process, okay? But you have to take action. Not until you take action and get a result, you have not learned. You may be informed, but not learned, okay? So if you've done it, would have done it. If you've done what I told you to do, but meanwhile, you can't be in this space right now and you're not on the Telegram channel. Okay, so our major Telegram channel for activity, combined activity. Someone, Madam Feli, can you drop it on the chat? You make sure you're, irrespective of where you're coming from right now, the Telegram channel, the main Telegram channel, Thousand Bar Expert Academy, you should be in that, because that when I tell you to do something, that is where I'm actually sending you to. Okay, that's where the information, the live link, some of the good things we're going to be sharing over the next couple of, okay, it happens there. Does that make sense? So make sure you are in that Telegram channel. So done. The rest of you, what are you doing? Okay, so you guys go on the Telegram channel right now. Let me see. We are live and ready to trade. That is the only information you're dropping. Okay. Hold on, guys. I think I need to restart my Telegram. How many of you are new? You are new. Okay, some of you are joining. We are actually growing very fast. So some of you are joining new. Okay, if you're new, this is your first time of joining this session. Put the first. I had a. How many of you were on my session this morning? Money in Minutes session. How many of you like the session? How many of you were in the session this morning? Okay, let me know in the chat. I did something quite different today before we earned money. Okay, how many of you love what I did today? I took you guys through a process of onboarding. It means beginner step. Okay, how you get on, how you download the platform, how to use the platform, how our strategy works, and we used it to trade and we made money. Okay, that's what I did this morning. So if you missed the recording, it's actually on my YouTube. Money in Minutes. You want to understand how we trade money in minutes? Okay, you go on my YouTube. It's the last video that I've done, Ken Remo. You're gonna find out. So when you come on, you're not lost. Okay. Oh, what are these guys doing? No. All right, you're not lost. That's gonna get. I'm gonna actually post it. I'm gonna add it to the resources. The pinned resource is actually your step to go when you come into this family, this community. Don't and I want to advise everyone, don't feel lost. Don't feel hid in the crowd. Okay, what you don't know, you don't know. The best thing you want to do for yourself is ask questions. Nobody's stupid to ask a question. Okay, how do I follow? What do I need to do? Ask questions, because we are doing activity every day. You should be benefiting from this activity. A lot of people are praying to even pay for things like this. They don't have access. They would pay if they get the kind of value you guys are having access to, but they don't. But now you guys have access to it. It only fits that you benefit from it. Okay, earning an extra $10, $20, $50, $100 is the same thing that is going to take you to earn $1,000. It's the same thing that will take you to earn $5, depending on the kind of income you have. So take advantage of it. All right. And if you have questions, always try to ask these questions in the live session. The last session we had was on Monday. Okay, I called how many trades? How many trades did I call for you guys on Monday? Did you guys know that all the trades I called for you guys on Monday played out? Okay. I told you guys AUD USD sell. I told you guys gold buy. I told you GBP Euro USD. They all played out and made money for us. Now we're going to do the same thing today again. Okay. Are you guys ready? Okay. So let me tell you what I looked at this morning. I looked at GU for a buy this morning. Okay. I caught an entry. It hit my stop, but I believe this guy is going to go back. So just imagine what this guy did. It came. All right, I want to turn the screen to see if you guys can just see the screen. All right, beautiful, so that you guys are not missing out. You see what this guy did? I'll tell you this right now. This is a good buy opportunity, but the risk to reward right now, I would buy this guy. I was supposed to buy, what's the time? 15 minutes. 15 minutes is going to close when? It's going to close in the next 4 minutes. This guy is going to buy. Risk is here. If it takes this away, I'm not going to invest in it today. But I do know this market is going to buy, okay? It's going to buy to this area. This is the day. Since it has attacked the previous day low, okay? It took away the previous day low. I believe this market is going to buy. So I'm going to be buying GBP USD now. All right. Oh, goodness. I would buy GBP. Yeah, well, buying around this area would have been better, but I think this guy is going to be going. So I'm just going to put a stop loss of 20 pips. Okay. You can buy now. Entry is market execution. Take profit one is 1-to-1. Okay. Let me see if I can climb on this one while I'm live. Okay. Let me see. Hey guys, I might have to offset my screen. So this is my buy. Let me buy. I think I'm hungry. I still want to make some money. GBP USD. If it came down a little bit, it would have been better, but I'll just buy where it is right now. Stop loss is going to be 1.2415. Okay. And that is 602465. You might take profit. That's about 20 pips, right? So it's either it goes from here or it doesn't. But I think, yeah, what did I do? That is about, is it 29 pips? I just want to get the parameters that I can. Yeah. It's about 26 pips. Okay, good. I'd like this take profit 2 as well. Take profit 2. Will be 2520. 1.2520. Okay, guys. All right. So I believe in this trade that it's still going to push upward. If I'm looking at the daily right now, okay, I'll tell you that the daily is making a move based on the range that drove this market down. I'm thinking the daily is going to have a good swing on the upside. So I'm looking at this range right now, and this is the range this market wants to cover in a bullish run. So yes, it may turn away back here. Okay, it may be turning away from here close back to this liquidity point, and that's going to decide if it's going to continue up. Okay, so I'm believing these ranges are going to be. So this is the box. So this market may actually try back up to this area, which is 50% before a good decision is going to be made. So this liquidity is waiting, this liquidity is waiting, this liquidity is waiting, but this is equilibrium. So I believe since this market has made this move from this area, okay, it's going to come touch this area or probably come take away this liquidity, then drive back here. That's the only two options I'm seeing within the day. So, but sentiment right now is pushing up. And it's not bad if we take a look at that one. So that is why I get in the trade right now. I believe that's one trade. Let's see if we have another one. There was something I'm looking for to USD JPY. Okay, I was thinking this guy is going to go upward, but it didn't fulfill this. So this is what I am going to do. All right, I've not called the trade. I wanted to break this before I see my confirmation. But this is what I am going to be looking at for. This market is going to rate this area right now. I think the next play is going to be something like this. So I wait for price action. The market takes away this. I'm going to be waiting for bullish market structure. All right. This is going to be my point of, yeah, something like this is what I'm looking out for. Yeah. So first is going to rate this, then give me this market structure. Then I'm going to buy when I have 2 consecutive, all right, break of structure, either on the 15 minutes or on the 1 hour. Okay. When that happens, I am going to buy any retracement on the previous structure. So that is what I am looking at for, ladies and gentlemen, on USD JPY. Okay. GBP AUD we've done. Yeah, the last session I called you guys, I called this trade for a buy. Yesterday we called it for a buy. It has hit take. We won it on Monday. We won it yesterday. Okay, and I still think this guy's going to go up to this way. not on the market covers its liquidity, it's not going to be suitable. Okay. But I can't tell us to enter right now. We're already in the pair of GBP, but I still think this market is going up. Okay. This market is going up. And we're going to have a beautiful sell when this market begins to take away this area. So let me plan something. GBP AUD. I'm beginning to like this pair. I've made money with it. Let me plan something with you guys right now. So I made money on this one. I made money on this one. Okay. Let's see. Hold on. If market breaks above this area, it's gonna buy. If market breaks above this area, it's gonna buy. But I'm not gonna call it as a market execution. It has to do the price action. Come back into this area, okay? Then it's gonna go to that daily. So this is something I need to see before I'll buy this market again. If not, I'm just gonna be patient. Just like the same way I was patient with USD JPY. Would have dumped me if I acted. So I want to see the price pulling up, breaking this area, okay, coming back. Then I'm going to trade it for a buy. So right now, this is not going to be a market execution. It's going to be a wait out trade, okay? I'll wait it out. Okay, I'll wait it out. I'll put an alarm here. If it breaks above, come back to retest it over a 15-minute timeline. Mean break, retest, something like how would I call it? Break and retest. So when there's a previous zone, okay, when there's a previous zone, market breaks it, kind of retest it, and opens a new candle above. That's what we call break and retest. So he did it multiple times here and eventually what pushed. GA is very good at consolidation before momentum. So I'm waiting. This is a consolidation. It's going to break, okay, retest, and momentum. When that happens, I'm going to let you guys know in the Signal group. Okay, I'm going to drop it. Whenever it happens, I'll drop it. Probably between now and tomorrow morning, it's going to happen. I'm not sure it will happen during the Asian session, but it can. AUD is an Asian pair. So it can happen. So I'm just going to watch out. But right now, it's consolidating. Nothing is happening. Okay, I'm going to look at Euro USD. Boom. Euro USD. Still consolidating. So market is consolidating. This guy should. Let's see. Where is? Hold on a bit. Low, high, high. So this guy's going up. What do I have? No, there's no. I can't. It's not ready. Guys, this guy's not ready. Let me see them for oh boy, this guy's gonna be selling. I think liquidity is lower. Let me pump you guys a little bit. This guy's going to be selling. This is a clear structure for a sell. Okay, so you can see this. I had a bullish structure on the 4-hour. Market has tapped it. It ought to be going, but if it's not going, what market wants to do is that it wants to reverse. And if it reverses, we're going to be tapping liquidity on the lower side, a lot of liquidity. So this guy tends to, it's looking like it wants to break off this zone, okay, which I've been watching out for. It broke, it closed, okay. What do you want to do right now? What do you want? Let me go to 1 hour and see what the structure looks like. Amen. All right, this is what I can tell you. I want to pick this area and I want to wait for price to come below this area and break. So I'm going to be working this with you guys. If it breaks below this area, I am going to sell. If it breaks below, okay, if it have a 15-minute break or 1 hour, I don't want to play this price action right now because it's not consistent. Okay, but if it breaks below this area, I would sell. So this is what I'm going to be looking at for, okay? And the potential are mind-blowing, okay? We have a long liquidity drive on the downside. If this happens, you're going to be shocked. We're going as low as, yeah, these lows. So that's a whole lot of liquidity on the downside. So all I need to do is what? The bigger the play, The bigger the play, the more patient you have to be. Oh, somebody would be like, Kenbry, are you not buying Euro, GBP, USD? Why are you looking at selling? I trade based on what I see, not what I feel. Okay, so Euro USD right now, I am seeing on a higher trend is bearish. Okay, so I'm playing this based on a higher trend, and it's somewhere around where it needs to give into the liquidity on the lower side. GBP USD may not be that way, but it can. Okay, but normally the truth is they all move alike. Okay, but I trade what I see, not what I feel. All right. So GBP USD may not be ready right now, but we still have a play on the upside. So this is what I'm looking at. And just because I want this area to come break this area doesn't mean it's going to happen, fam. Okay, but that is what I would do. Okay, and if this area breaks above and come retest this area, it's going to continue buying. So either way, I'll wait. All right. So that is about, those are my pairs. German, everything I woke up to do this morning, okay, played out, but I didn't even get in. So I couldn't even send this trade. They already played out. Let me see gold. Today's Thursday, right? Gold is already, oops. Gold moved crazily. I couldn't even catch gold this morning. Yeah, I told you guys. See, guys, when I gave you guys the glass gold on Monday, I gave you guys gold, and I told you this gold is going to close this liquidity. All right. This was TP1. Can you guys see that this market played out fine? It has hit target 1-to-4 ratio. Don't kid. When I tell you these analysis, don't play. All right. Be consistent. Be patient. Okay. Be patient. I think I got out here anyway. I got out here. There are some nights this is not far away. I know it was going to come down. That's why I didn't know. And it came down. This is good price action. It's very, very powerful price action. So this is actually the third wave. Third waves are always the most significant wave. Okay. I've taught that on market structure. This is first wave, new low. Second wave, new low. Okay. When there's a break of structure, there's a break of structure. Don't play. It always happens in the market. So that is, I'm just trying to see the trade ideas that are valid right now. There's no trade idea for me in gold. Gold has to take away this high for me to start looking at for the sell position. It takes away this high, create a market structure for me. That's going to take a while, probably next week. Okay. Well, it's still a lot of time to play some price action. I need to see some price action. So that is about what I have. GA, see this guy. I told you guys that not until you come to this area, it's still going to have significant move. So if it breaks this area, retest this area, that's when I'm going to play GA. Okay. GU. Oh, we just got in GU trying to play with us, right? So it's still playing. It's either it goes our way or it doesn't. So if it's not ready, it may want to come down. All right. So we still have liquidity on the low side. When you take your trade, just follow your risk management and don't be, oh, it's going to go, let me put all in. There's still a lot of liquidity on the downside. So trading is about liquidity. If it's deciding to come to the lower side, we'll watch out for it and we'll find other entries. Okay. But right now, this is what I see, okay, to go up. If it doesn't go, that's fine. Stay on your risk. Okay. Any questions so far? So that's about what I have. USD, JPY. Yeah, I think USD. I hope I don't have any news around. When I trade, I don't look at sentimental. Like I just give my analysis and I watch out for them. Today is Thursday. Okay, 2:30. Oh, there was news. Okay, there's news in Euro. It just played. Okay, that's 2:45. 2:30, there was news USD bow. Okay, I think that's the spike we just saw right now. Okay, that's the spike we just saw. It had a negative influence. One has a negative influence, one has a positive influence. So I think that's what is happening, okay, to USD right now. Okay, that you can't control. Any questions so far? So GU, I'm in for a buy. Okay, it may not look ideal right now, but the market will do what it needs to do. Just do what you need to do. Okay, GBP AUD, I am looking for a buy. I want it to break above this area, retest this area. I'm going to be watching that. I'll drop the signals in the Telegram signal group. Okay, If you're not in the Signal group, you're not going to receive it. You can only receive ideas when you join us live, since that's what you guys want. You're opting. So you want to opt in into Signals, go register with the broker, fund your account, send your screenshot, and you join the Signal group. That's easy. Okay. And I looked at USD JPY. It's not ready for me right now. I wanted to break this area before I can actually look at for it. Or it comes here, break this area above. Still, I know what to play. I'm also going to let you guys know on so everything is pulling back up. So guys, this is me, and this is what I have for you guys. Trading, you do not force the analysis. Okay, if you guys want to learn any question you guys want to ask me, you guys can ask me. Okay, see there's a news on Euro. Yeah, I think everything's gonna play, but this is what I've seen. Any questions so far, so we can learn anything you guys want me to teach or train or talk about. I have done my analysis for live trading. At least we've been able to get a condition for GBP USD for a buy. Hopefully, just like we've been making money live, we can make money. If you guys participated on Monday, we had 3 trades on Monday and they all played out. Gold, GBP AUD, AUD USD, Euro USD, I think we had GBP AUD as well. Okay, good. 4 trades and they all played out on Monday. Today, I don't have much. Okay. That was it on Tuesday. On Tuesday live, sorry. On Tuesday, 2 p.m. Tuesday, yeah. Today's Thursday, right? So if you have any question, you can ask. Anything you want me to talk about, anything you want me to deal on, any challenge that you may be facing, you joining the group, what is it you don't understand? Okay. You guys let me know. Let's do a little bit of communication. If you need that, all right, you can raise your hand and ask any question. I am here to serve. How many of you are actively trading? All right, go active on the chat. Trading means you're trading. Go active on the chat if you're here and you're actively trading. Hey, Cuban, are you raising your hand or you want to ask a question? I said, put active on the chat. Do you want to ask a question? If you want to ask a question, you can unmute yourself and ask.
Okay, good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, good afternoon.
What I wanted to ask is if I need to trail a stop loss, is it at the box where there is a trail stop loss, TS, at the bottom of the page? If I need to trail a stop loss, is that where I'm going to enter it, or I should just go straight to where I entered my stop loss initially?
Okay, okay, which platform are you asking on right now? Are you asking on the FX Live, or you just asking if
on FX? Yes, FX Live, on how to trail stop loss.
All right, so let me just do something. I want to demonstrate something quickly, okay? On the FX Live platform, so that you guys can, I've talked about it several times. So GBP USD, let me see if I can still buy it. Okay, all right. Let me see if I can still buy it on my other platform. Where is it? Where is my FX Live platform? Okay, guys, let's see. Okay, so positions, quotes. Let me look for GBP USD. Let me see buy. All right, I just want to demonstrate this trade right now. So what's the stop loss? 1.2. It's 2 forward. What was the stop loss? 1.2. 2415. Okay. 1.2415. All right. So that's 24 pips. Take profit. Let me do 25 pips. So 1. All right. So let me buy this GBP USD buy. Okay, good. So let's see. So when you click on this, when you click on the trade, you come on this icon here. Okay. You can, but let me take 2 positions first because I did hold on. 2415. And the take, what's the other take profit? 25. What's the other take profit? The other take profit is 2520. 2520. Okay. All right, beautiful. That's 80 pips. Now you guys watch. So if I want to edit the market, I'll come here, I'll click edit. This is an edit. Okay. With this platform, FX Live, you could either break even if your trade is in profit, or you could do a trailing stop. So I want to do a trailing stop for, let's say, the trade is 80 pips. So I could do a trailing stop for, okay, which one am I editing? Okay, this is TP1. Okay, this is TP1. Let me come back to position. Which one am I taking for TP2? Okay. Okay, so this one is the ATP. So let's say automatically I want to trade this. I could say the moment it moves at 50 pips. So it's going to trail for me for 50 pips. Okay. So what you're going to see if you go to charts, position, click and go to charts. Okay. You're going to find a purple line below. When you guys see a purple line, this purple line is 50 pips. And as this trade is moving up, it's going to be moving up with it. Okay, so this is how this particular trailing stop works. Now, other trailing stop is immediately when the platform, the trade moves into profit. That is when the trailing stop is going to start trailing at the pips you set it. But this particular trailing stop moves. So the moment you set the trailing stop, it starts moving. So as this trade is moving right now, this trailing stop is going to be moving with it. So it means if it gets into profit 50 pips, this is going to be above entry. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Does that make sense? You get it now. So what I do most of the time, the reason I don't set it, so this is what I've observed. The reason I don't set it from the beginning of the trade, so I go to position, I'd like to set it after it has moved into profit, because the case there is, so let me show you guys something. The case, there is a case scenario where if this guy moves into this area, so somewhere around this area, this guy is going to be probably above the original stop loss, which is not too good because I need this time. So it could get here to come back. So it's going to be more than the original. That times, depending on the kind of stop loss you set. So let's say you even do a 20 pips stop loss. A 20 pips would probably be around here. And it's moving, guess what? It's going to be following it. So the trade has not actually moved well. It's already what? So it has taken your stop loss. It will not be this original stop loss. So it doesn't care if your trade is in profit or not. It moves with it. So that's why what I do is I tend to wait, okay? I tend to wait, let the trade get into profit first before I'll set a trailing stop loss. Does this make sense?
Yeah.
All right, everyone, did you guys get it? That's what I do, so that I don't, oh, people have hit take profit. I'll be like, why am I not seeing trade? Because the trade moved up, came down, and your trailing stop loss it attacked it, and the trade has not actually hit take profit. So I didn't have active trading account yet. How I can open? Okay, if you want to open a trading account, just follow the instructions on the Telegram group. So I'm just going to share the instructions here right now. Where are the instructions? Where's my Telegram group? Okay, I think I did it. I closed it. Let me open it again. Oh, okay, beautiful. If you go on the Telegram group, what's happening in Telegram? I think since morning, my Telegram has just been rolling. I think I need to off my system on it. I say, what is the least price to deposit to be able to join the Signal group? It's $50. Okay. I don't know. My Telegram group is just rolling. Okay, maybe when I restart my system. So if you go on the Telegram channel, the main Telegram channel, on the pin post where you have 2025, welcome to 2025, the update, 2025 update, you're going to see directions on how to join the premium group for signals. Okay. At least we send 2-3 signals a day. There are days we send 3 signals, but a minimum, you must get a signal a day. Okay. Imagine if you're following a risk plan, and we're well over 85% win accuracy. So just follow. What does it cost you? So what are we telling you? Fund your account. At least that's something to ask of you. Fund your account so that you can trade. Okay. Let's move. If you want to learn, join the session and learn. But if you want to make money, fund your account and trade, make money directly, quickly. Okay. So minimum $50. The moment you fund your account $50, take a screenshot of your fund in your account and send to that email, moharidigital@gmail.com. And the moment we receive it, we'll send you the link to join. And that's it. Any question? All right. Any other question? Sir, I want to know, as a day trader, how do you approach the market each day? Do we wake up each morning to look for the trade? That's a beautiful question. Very beautiful question. You know, people get worried by not understanding when to trade the market. Okay. So first is, what type of trader are you? Okay. Now you may use the word day trader as a day trader, but do you really understand what a day trader is? If I come on my mic, let me ask you a couple of questions. Are you there? Come on my mic.
I'm here, sir.
So what do you understand by day trader?
Yeah, I think the concept of day trading is you make your analysis and you open your position. If you get it right, if you feel like your analysis aligns with what you are looking for, and you open your trade for the day, and basically most of the time you don't allow your trade to exceed that day, and you close all your positions.
Okay, good. So that is how day trading works. Okay, there's a difference between how does day trading work and the concept of day trading. That's really the question I asked you, but you just explained to me how day trading works. Okay, day trading is the activity within the trading environment that you have to look at your opportunities within the day. It means you're looking out for the 15 minutes, 1 hour candle, seeing what works, an active market, okay, based off on technical analysis, and you are invested in today's activity. Am I correct? That is what you understand by day trading.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So now the concept of day trading, okay, it's like every day's job. Just like you have a 9 to 5, looking for opportunities to earn money daily. So trading is there's a need that establishes your personality in trading. So some people fall into the activity of day trading because they need daily activity. Now, some people, based on their personality, they need, so day trading is the midpoint between a long-term trader and a fast-paced trader. So day trading is like, I'm a little conservative. I can actually wait for 24 hours. Let's see what we have today. And they have time for the market. So a scalper doesn't have time for the market. They're looking for the fast plane. But a day trader has time for the market. Okay. Then a swing trader creates time for the market. Are you guys seeing the concept? Are you guys understanding the definition of the concept? A swing trader doesn't want to stay in the market. They have to create time. So they work with the market to allow the market to work for them. Day trader, they have time to work for the market. Fast pace, they come steal. They don't have time. Oh, no, I don't have too much time to steal all day. I like to make money. I like to make money when I am seeing it right now. The GBP AUD has broken above, I guess. Okay. And I need to get it right now. If it's 1 hour, I'm staying. If it's 9 o'clock, I'm staying. Let me see what will happen around 9 o'clock. If it's New York session, I'm staying. Let me see what will happen around 1:30. So these are people who literally do not have time. For scalpers, day trader, they have time. They want to watch their position. They want to wait for their position and they get in, and they want to make sure that the position they are getting in within a 15-minute, 5-minute candle is going to pay them within the structure of today. Okay. So when you're looking at that, that is your position or your personality. What you do is you tend towards volume. When does volume come into the market? During the opening of the London session, you are set up and you wait for volume to hit the market based on your strategy. Okay. If volume comes in and your strategy aligns, you trade, put your risk, and you're off, you wait. Okay. It's the same time. So day traders, the best time advice for day traders to trade are the two voluminous time in the market, which is the opening of the first hour of the London session and the first hour of the New York session. Does that make sense? Because that's when you're going to be set up for the volume of the market, depending on the type of strategy you're trading. All right. Ifeanyi, did you get that?
I got it, sir. Thank you. Thanks so
But
much,
you
sir.
notice the times I do send trades in the morning. I'm not a day trader, but I serve people. I serve people who day trade. So I wake up in the morning, okay, during the times after dropping my son from school, around 8:30, I want to see the first opening of the candle, okay, and I watch the activity. I have strategies for day trading, scalping. I'm one of the best scalpers in the world, okay. That tells you what I'm doing in binary option, but I'm not a scalper, okay. But binary option is actually scalping we're looking at. So I know what to scalp. I know how to scalp, but it's not my personality. That's why I don't trade it in Forex. I don't trade because why? I'm not that type of person. Even if I'm very good at it, but I'm not the type of person. I use it to sell, but I don't actually like scalping. But I tend to tilt because inside of day trading, that's when I find my swing options. Okay, I may get 2 swing trades. Okay, guess what? Gold was a swing trade and it's completed. GBP AUD is also a swing trade. Okay, though I've exited, all right? I've exited because I just wanted to take my option and I see the market was consolidating. I didn't like the fact, and it was giving me over 85% of the swing. Okay, now there are swing and there are swing inside of swing, spot swinging and day swinging. So there are trades that will run for 300, 400 pips. But the moment the trade crosses 150 pips, it is settled to be a swing trade. 100 to 150 settled to. So those type of trade, it may not be done today. So you take them, you wait for them, follow the plan of the risk. Okay, so it is from my day trading activity I will find my swing trade. So I kind of tilt towards sitting in the market. I analyze, I wait for my structure, I come back, I watch them, I put an alarm on my trading view so that even on my wristwatch, it's telling me that you can see that something wrong now. It means GBP has broken an area. So what I do, even if I'm busy or I'm having a conversation, I could just look at my screen and see, oh, it has broken. So I wait out for a retest. So retest means it's broken, it gets to an area, I've set an alarm for the retest. So that way I'm not sitting in the market and I'm watching. Does that make sense? If did I help you with that answer? So the times to trade as a day trader is the times the volume are coming in. Okay, London opening between 8:30 to 9:30. Okay, those times have volume. All right, those times have volume. Then 1:30 to 2:30. Does that make sense?
Makes sense. I got it, sir. Thanks so much, sir. I really appreciate it.
Welcome. Whoa, we've done profit, and you guys said it so. Are you guys kidding me? TP1 has been hit. Boom. We've done TP1, right? So I said 1-to-1. You guys got in. So I've done TP1. While we're in the TP1 has been hit. GBP USD. And you guys are not playing big on the chart. Come on, what are you guys talking about? Okay, someone said TP1. You guys are playing. That's money in the session. You guys put some money. Go on the Telegram channel and put some money. Drop some money. And I believe it's going to go to TP2. All right. So that is how we make money. Thank God I took this trade. Thank God it was a beautiful trade. And I perceived it. Okay, we're sniping it. It's good. All right, it's good. So beautiful session. Let's go. So now you can decide to apply your what I call it. So let me see if I can apply a trailing. But this trade is not far away, so I may just tilt to break. Let me see. Can I break even? Do I need to? Break even means it's going to come around here. Let me just allow this trade to go. The stop loss is not far away. Let's go. This trade wants to go. Maybe while we're in the session, it's going to get to. Did you take a trade? Maybe while in the session, it's going to get to TP2. All right. So that is how we roll it. Any more questions? You should be making money. Any question? I'm having fun. All right. So that mitigates for our first loss, even less loss of the day. TP2 is going to give us profit. GBP you took it, right? Is it G I called this morning? G or GA? Okay, yeah, it was G I called this morning. Okay. Wait, yours didn't touch? Yeah, a tip. Okay, so just jumped on it. If no. You guys know me now. Say, Bukola, I asked the question, sir. What was the question? Sorry. Okay. What type of trader are you, sir, according to what you explained? I am asking because I like how you trade and I want to trade like you. I'm a beginner in this game. Amazing question. But let me attend to Edith. Edith said, I just jumped on the trade. Can you please explain that jump you mean? Let me know. It means you just entered the trade right now when I said the trade has already hit TP1. Please be honest and just tell me the truth. Edith.
Yes, I jumped on it when you said it had kicked in, something like that. Actually, I wasn't at home. I just jumped on the call and then you said that and then I just clicked buy.
Okay, wait, let me get it. Okay, while I was still analyzing, not when I said it has hit a profit.
No, when you said it had entered I think the 245 area.
Okay.
That you had initially said we could set at stop buy.
Okay. Yeah, okay, that was good. Okay, that was good. All right, if that be the case, that was good.
Yeah, so
So
at
if
least I'm in some profit, yeah.
Okay, it's not 80.1. Okay, beautiful. I thought maybe because now it's moving, that's where you got in. So thank you. No problem.
Thank you.
Bukola, what type of trader am I? I'm a swing trader that knows how to scalp, that knows how to day trade. But my personality in trading is I'm a patient trader. I love big options. Okay. I love the concept of investing 1 to get 3 and waiting all the way. See, if you guys leave me, okay, I can take a trade for a whole month and I'll just be riding it in profit. Risk leverage. Swing traders have more option of risk. Day traders have, as in they have more option. Day traders and scalpers have limited option. They are risky. You spend more money when you're trading so often in the market. You spend less money when you're waiting for the best positions. Okay. But to be good swing traders, you need a lot of spirit, a lot of equity to back it also. You know, so that's why some people tilt. A lot of people that are day traders and scalpers, not because that is who they are, that because that's the option they think they can make a whole lot of money. So they are trading against their personality outside of it. When you really make the kind of money you're making, most of you are not going to day trade. Trust me. Okay, am I correct? When you have the kind of money you have, you don't have time the way you have time for the market. So try to look into the future. So that's who I am, because I am very exposed and learned in scalping, day trading, but my personality is a swing trader. All right. That's why I don't like stop loss that are 10 pips. Some people they're looking for a stop loss of 10 pips, 5 pips. And but I'm trying these days. My stop loss are not big these days. Madam Fairly, right? My stop loss are shorter these days. I think that's one of the things I've worked on this year for you guys. My stop loss are around 15 pips, 20 pips, 25 pips, max 30 pips. You know, some are even 10 pips. Even me, I'm like, oh, but even me, I'm becoming uncomfortable with my own stop loss. All right, so that's about that. That should help you. Now, the other part of things that you want to be a trader like me, okay, you first have to ascertain what's your personality in trading. There's a video that I did, understanding your personality to know the type of trader. Okay, it's my personality that I trade. You may be someone who doesn't have time to stick around for so long or stick in a trade. You can't trade against your personality. It will drive you. So, but if your personality is patient, and you love to trade as an investor, then swing trading is also going to be good. But guess what? That is why we have this community right now. Whether you're a swing trader or you're not a swing trader, these skills are for you to go use it for yourself. But the advantage is now that I can actually be doing the whole work for you as long as we are together. All right. And when I'm not with you, you can actually go do it for yourself and help others. So through the community, we can thrive better. Okay. You can earn and leverage that while you build the skill. Take our time to build the skill. What we're really doing with these, communities, right, is to take care of one thing a lot of people cannot take care of for themselves. Is there's a stage you have to leverage. There's a stage you have to turn the skill into an income producing activity. It takes a different skill set. Nobody can teach you that. It takes time to build the transition. So what a lot of people do is that they always fail to they learn through the process. What we are just doing is helping you not to fail. So leverage while you take out time to practice. So practice on small accounts to see your growth, but making money. Don't allow your practice be your making money activity. Practice, take out the next 1-2 years to practice. But when it comes to making money, let's help you be making money while you're practicing. Does that make sense? Does that sound like a good idea? All right. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I've spent my time here and it's been a productive session. We made money on the session. If you want to do us good, you help someone got in here. So most of you, I told you to post, help someone. If someone came in here and was invited by you, how are they going to be feeling right now? They're going to be feeling interested, okay? One of the things you want to do is there are people who are not here. Go on the group right now. Just say, what a wonderful session. We just made money on the session. For those of you that made money. Now, if you didn't make money, you just experienced making money, you could use that language. But I love the session. Give us a feedback and we'll keep doing this as long as you keep you guys keep getting value. God bless you guys. I see you on the next trading session. Don't miss out. We're going to be trading live tomorrow morning as well. Money in minutes. Okay. Oh boy, Kendry. Wow. It's been a beautiful week. Have an amazing day.